Hi guys, this is the first video of a three-part video series where we're going to be looking at everything to do with the binomial expansion. So if we jump straight into it, if I asked you to expand a certain bracket such as x plus y squared, this should be fairly simple for us, right? So this would just be x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. However, now if I ask you to do the same thing but expand x plus y to the power of 10, we could do this, right? Multiply each individual bracket out. However, it'd just be too long and just not efficient enough. So instead of doing this, what we can do is use the binomial expansion. So I popped up the equation here for the binomial expansion. It's a very simple equation. You just have to find what your a value is, what your b value is, and what your n value is. So let's look at an example where we have x plus y to the power of 4. As I said, you have to identify each value. So our a in this case will be our x value, our b will be our y value, and our n will be 4. And now it's just a matter of just using or plugging it into this equation. So the first term will be 4 choose 0 times by x to the power of 4 plus next term 4 choose 1 x to the power of 3, so we minus 1 to the power of x times by y plus 4 choose 2 x squared times y squared, and just follow along with the equation. So 4 choose 3 x times y cubed, and lastly 4 choose 4 y to the power of 4. So as I said, it's just have to follow this equation. And now you just have to simplify it. So this will be x to the power of 4 plus 4x cubed y plus 6x squared y squared plus 4xy cubed plus y to the power of 4. So the binomial expansion can be used when we want to expand a bracket raised to a certain power. Okay, so let's take a look at another example. So let's say maybe I want to expand, let's go for 2 plus x to the power of 5. So once again, you have to identify your a, b, and n value. In our case, our a is 2, our b is just x, and the n is 5. Once you've done this, now it's just plugging into the formula. So first things first, 5 choose 0. The choose button, if you're using a Casio calculator, should be here. Okay, so that's where the C button is. Times by 2 to the power of 5 plus 5, 1, 2 to the power of 4 times x plus 5, 2, 2 cubed times x squared, and plus 5, 3, and so on and so on. 2 squared times x cubed, 5, 4, 2 times x to the power of 4, and lastly 5 choose 5 x to the power of 5. And now it's just a matter of just simplifying each individual term. So we get 32 plus 5 choose 1 is 5 times 16, so 80x plus 80x squared plus 40x cubed plus 10x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 5. So this would be our full expansion of this initial bracket here. So this is the end of part 1, and it's just a very basic. So we're going to look at in the next two videos a bit more harder examples.